Let's do circle in like red. Blue. Green. Okay. And maybe it's like a violet or something. This is turning out to be a very fucking long video. It's good that I never became a teacher. Fuck. Okay. Alright, now I'm just going to like merge them all so that then, oh, for fuck's sakes. Why? One layer. Alright? Control U. Now if I go and I say red, alright? I can literally change only the red. Okay? While it's selected, I can like change that red to green or whatever. Okay? Yellows. This is very self-explanatory. Does this answer your question? I hope so.